Do you love yummy donuts? Today, we are going to draw a super cute donut together.
Yay!
It's easy and fun.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, draw a big circle in the middle. Nice and round. Great job! Now, draw a small circle inside the big circle. This is the donut hole. Next, draw a wavy line inside the big circle. This will be the yummy icing. Now, draw some small rectangles all over the top. These are colorful sprinkles. Nice job, everyone. Our donut drawing is complete. Let's make the outline bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Whoa, it's looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Let's make our donut super colorful. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Pink color.
La da 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 dee.
So yummy and bright. Amazing work, little artists. Your donut looks so delicious. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub. See you in the next fun drawing. Bye-bye.
Yay! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.